All right, let's get started. The first step is to cut the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Remove the stems and seeds from the peppers. Cut the peppers in half, then cut into 1/2-inch strips. Remove the stems from the tomatoes. Cut them in half and then chop them coarsely. Cut the ham into 1/2-inch strips. Peel the onion. Finely chop the peeled onion. Peel the garlic. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Chop the chicken into pieces. Sprinkle some salt and pepper over the chicken. That's it for preparations. It's now time to cook the chicken. You'll need a frying pan with a lid and a dish. Heat the olive oil in the frying pan over moderate heat. Coat the pan with oil, then add the chicken skin side down. Sauté until golden brown. Turn the chicken over and continue sautéing until the other side is also browned. Transfer the cooked chicken to the dish. Put the onion and garlic in the same frying pan used to cook the chicken, and sauté them over moderate heat until browned. Add the flour and cook briefly. Add the white wine. Simmer and keep stirring while the sauce reduces and the alcohol cooks off. Add the chopped tomatoes. Add the chicken stock. Add the ham and peppers, then bring briefly to a boil. Add the cooked chicken, cover the frying pan with the lid, and simmer for approximately 10 minutes over low heat. Reduce the liquid in the pan by simmering until about half the original amount remains and the chicken is tender. Season to taste with some salt and pepper. Transfer to a serving dish and sprinkle with some finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Nice work!